Hi friends, my name is Achut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class, we will going to solve the print bonus problem. So how a company give bonus to the employees. So let's start the program. So so as we know, if you want to take, so let us read the question. So the bonus in a company is given by bonus equal to salary into 5 by 100. So a company decided to give a bonus of 5% to employees if his or her service years of service is more than 5 years. Like company will give the 5% bonus if the employees in that company who serves more than 5 years, then only they will get the 5% of bonus. So we have while writing the code, we have to follow these instructions. Ask user for their salary and year of service and print the net bonus amount. And if the year of service is less than or equal to 5, which means the employees who's working in that organization, the year of service is less than 5, then we have to print 0. So let us write the program. Import java dot util dot star. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So first we have to take salary. So in salary is equal to c dot next int. Sorry. So next int. So and after we have to take the year of service also. Year of service. Year of service. So sc dot next int. So what the condition? So if the employees who's working more than 5 years, so then only we have to give the 5% bonus to that employees. So now we will write this condition. If year of service is greater than 5, which means 5 years. So then only we have to calculate the bonus. So what is the formula? So int bonus is equal to salary, like salary into 5 by 100. 5 by 100. So this is the formula. So then we have to print the net bonus. So we have to print the bonus. System dot out dot println bonus. So if the employees in the organization who serves more than 5 years, so then only like the year of service which is greater than 5, then only the bonus will be applied to that employees in that organization. And we have simply printed the bonus amount. So otherwise, so we have to print. So if the year of service is less than 5, so then we have to print 0. System dot out dot println 0. So we have to print 0. So I hope you understand. So first of all, we have taken salary, user salary, and year of service. How many years the employees working in that organization? So the year of service which is greater than 5, then we simply calculated the bonus, and we have simply print that bonus. or otherwise, if the employees who's working less than 5 years, so then we have to print the zero, simple zero. So let us run this program. So we got an error. So we have to put semicolon. So there is no errors. So the salary is 50,000. The salary is 50,000 and the year of service is, let's take 6 years. So we have taken 6 years. So the bonus is 5%. Let us run this program again. Let us take 10,000. So year of salary, sorry, year of service is 4 years. So we are getting zero. So the year of service which is greater than 5. So let us run the year of service is greater than 5. So let us take 10,000 salary and year of service is 8 years. So year of service is 8 years. So salary into 5 again. Yes. So we are getting zero only. So let us remove these brackets. Let us run this program again. So with 10,000 and the year of service is 7 years. So we got the bonus amount. So here we have put the brackets. So we simply have to remove that brackets. For 10,000, we're getting 500 as bonus. Like who are working more than more than 5 years. So they're getting the 500. Whose salary is 10,000. So they will get 500 as bonus. So let us run this program again. Let's take 50,000 as input and 4 years. So the bonus should be zero. So I hope you understand this program. So this is a simple like how employees will get bonuses in the organization. If you like this video, please like it and please subscribe it and please share it. And if you want more videos of mine, please ring the bell icon. Thank you, friends.